Annyeong, and today I'm here with the preview to Pocket 2. Well, with not the actual device, but all the leaks have already been out, so we have a lot of information, so that if you watch this video, then on Tuesday when you are looking at the real product, then you can understand the product a lot better. So first, the overall look. So as you guys can see in the picture, the overall look looks very similar as Osmo Pocket 1. However, there are just few minor differences. The display looks the same, but there are just few minor detail that has changed. So in the camera, you can see some red highlight around the edge, and at the bottom of the camera, you can see some extra line. I don't know what it does, but we'll find out. And lanyard can now be attached to the device, which is an amazing idea. That's how you don't kill off Pocket 2, unlike how I did with Osmo Pocket. However, in the Outlook, I can still see a very stupid rounded design at the bottom. You know, that actually killed off my device a couple of times. So that's a shame not to see that improve. So now let's really look at the significant difference. So it looks like there is going to be a joystick, which is an excellent addition, something that we've seen in Fimi Palm. And luckily that joystick control with the extra button where you can probably customize it, that's included in the package, it seems like. But most importantly, let's look at the camera. So what does the camera look like? Actually, it looks fairly similar to what we've seen in Pocket 1. However, doesn't it look a little bit larger than what we used to seeing in Osmo Pocket 1? So the rumor is saying that the sensor has perhaps increased to 1/2 inch, what we find in Mavic Air 2. So maybe it's a fairly similar camera to Mavic Air 2, which I think is fantastic. So improvement in the sensor size, what does it do? It should have overall better quality, of course, and better dynamic range and better performance in low light performance. Of course, I'm going to test all of them out when I get my device. So now let's look at the overall design again. Here we actually see a lot more mic holes around the device. So overall, that should give a better mic sound. However, on the mic, I'm going to talk about it more near the end, so you definitely want to stay watching this video until the end. Oh, and can I take this opportunity to ask you guys to like this video, please? So now let's take a look at what might be inside the box, because you know, you don't want to spend so much money buying this and that, you know, a lot of accessories for Osmo Pocket 1, which I found it rather annoying. So we'd like to see a lot of things are inside the package. So let's first look at the standard package. So inside the standard box, of course, we can see the Pocket 2 and joystick controller, USB-C adapters, a carrying case, a lanyard, a charging cable, and that little rectangle down there, it looks like do-it-all handle. So you guys know in the last video I talked about do-it-all handle in the leak, and that looks like a tripod mount. Of course, that should be included. However, I don't really see why that was not included within the body. I'm not a big fan of having bits and bobs, you know, randomly lying around. Why can't it all be inside the body of the device? I don't know. But now let's look at the Pro Combo package. So in the Pro Combo package, here you get a wireless microphone transmitter. That's awesome. So right now you guys can hear me really well because I have this wireless microphone transmitter. And if we have that specifically for Pocket 2, and inside Pocket 2, they can pick up the wireless signal. That is awesome. That's really super. So inside the box included is also a dead cat. So it gets rid of the wind noise, and also adhesive for the microphone. And also you can see a tripod, and I'm not sure what that middle thing is. Is it like a lens? I'm not sure. And a charging cable that can charge both Pocket 2 and wireless mic. And it also have, of course, the do-it-all handle. Are you guys excited about the package? I'm really excited about the package, and also I want to find out about the performance. So by looking at what's inside the box, I'm planning to buy the Pro Combo version rather than the standard, because you know, I really want to test out the mic function, although I do have a lot of mics. But if it works specifically for Pocket 2, then I think it's worth getting. So I do hope you guys can wait for me to buy and then test out the products and come up with the videos. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you.